Hi. Right now we are at a place called Mountain View in the US. The special thing about this place is that the places we interact with constantly in our daily lives, Google, Gmail, Google Chrome, Google Maps, Google Drive, Google Meet, are all brought to us by Google's actual headquarters. This building is Google's global headquarters, the most important building. Isn't it amazing? At first glance, it might look like a tent with a tarp pulled over it. We usually imagine Google's head office or headquarters to be a massive concrete building with 10 to 20 floors, right? It's nothing like that. See? Over there in the distance, there are two more similar buildings. The special feature of this building is that its roof is made of 90,000 solar panels. These solar panels provide 40% of the electricity needed for this building. There are also provisions for rainwater harvesting, as well as landing pathways for food delivery robots and drones. It has a beautiful architectural design resembling ocean waves, styled with modern technology. Now, as we walk down the hill, we reach the vicinity of Google's office. If you stand here, you can see many interesting sights. Time just flies by. Standing here like this, you can happily watch many sights. Look right here, this is the road right in front. This is Google's G-Bus, used to bring staff from home and take them back home. It has many facilities. That's a bike rack. Here, bikes mostly mean our regular bicycles, that's all there is. We heard that around 100 such buses operate here. They have many features. They are double-deckers, electric vehicles, EVs, and feature bike racks, free Wi-Fi, coffee machines, and toilets on long-distance buses. Google's logic behind this is that instead of every staff member driving their own car, a single bus can take 50 cars off the road. What we are looking at right now is a Waymo car. As you might have guessed, a Waymo car is a driverless car. This is a sister concern of Google that started in 2009. The LiDAR sensor rotating on top makes it easy to recognize from a distance that this is a driverless car. This is not just for staff. The general public can also call or book these cars just like Uber or taxis. While watching this car stand here, I noticed one thing. In many of the cars, there are no passengers and no drivers. They are sent out to pick up staff as they finish work. Since it's evening time, this car is waiting at the junction for a signal. When the signal comes to move left, right, or straight at the junction, this car moves automatically. In this way, we can witness many wonderful sights. Now, if we enter the campus, there are many sculptures here. These are various sculptures and art forms reflecting Google's heritage, national heritage, and things related to IT. We saw a sculpture called the bear. This bear is also the symbol of California, and this place is located in California. Then we directly see a web-like structure. Its name is the Hive. It looks like a beehive, a web woven together by many bees, symbolizing the internet connecting the whole world. This is a sculpture called the portal. This sculpture only uses curved and bent materials. Its special feature is that when sunlight hits it, beautiful patterned shadows fall underneath. As the sun shifts in direction over time, the shapes of these patterns keep changing wonderfully. This is during the day. At night, equipped with LED lights, it transforms into a very beautiful art sculpture that we can experience. Now, coming to the web-like structure we saw earlier, every circle within it incorporates various matrices. These are various things related to the web. The underlying concept seems to be about bringing the whole world together. There are many such sculptures here. I cannot showcase more things because I wanted to keep this video under 10 minutes, so I skipped a few things and didn't include all the photos and videos I took in the editing. I kept many things aside with the intention of uploading a concise version. Now, let's move closer to the buildings. That's a cafe we are seeing. This is the Google store. I went inside, but even though there were many items, I didn't put them on display because there wasn't much time. This is a windmill-like toy, similar to the paper or palm leaf windmills we make for children back home, but made in Google's colors. Now, coming out of that building, as we thought of walking to the next building, we saw this parking ground. This parking ground is located in a slightly lower, mound-like area. We don't need to manually climb up and down steps to get there. There are full-time working escalators on the other side of this ground. From here, we need to walk all the way to that building. I will move forward from here and end the video by watching the sights there. Look. These are the two buildings we saw from a distance. There aren't many people around these buildings. The time is around 6:30 or 7 o'clock, and it seems the employees have finished work and left. I cannot roam around for long either, because finding public transport and stops to get back to where I'm staying would be a bit difficult. Therefore, I am heading back early. Now, another Waymo taxi has arrived to drop off or pick up a worker. There's no one in that car either, no driver, no passenger. It was sent to pick someone up. They probably unlock and operate these cars using an OTP. Anyway. Seeing Google's office felt like a wonderful sight, so I wanted to share it. Thank you all, and goodbye. Okay, thank you.